So you've made your contact print. You put the film down on top of the photo paper and made a same size print of all the negatives that you've taken, okay, the pictures that you've taken. And like I said, we live in a positive world, so it's better for us to see these positives instead of just looking at it on the negatives and trying to make heads or tails out of what's going on. I like this one right here with the car tire, and I think that's the one that I'm going to be doing for the project. So I have a negative carrier here. Okay, the negative carrier has two parts to it. It has a top and a bottom, and on the bottom there are these four little posts. The four posts help us to hold our negative in place. It slips right in between there. And then, as you can see, I've got that negative of the car tire right there in the hole that is made in the frame. And then I'm going to put the other piece on top of it to lock it down. Okay, this will go into the enlarger, and I'll show you how that happens in the next video. But while we're in the darkroom, the first thing that we have to do after we figure out where our picture is going to be going is we need to make a test strip. And although you've used it before in the darkroom, you probably didn't notice that on the easel for the 5x7 there are these two silver marks here. Okay, those silver marks are what we use when it comes time to make our test strip. Whether you're left-handed or right-handed or whichever way you prefer to go there, we have the marks, the silver marks, and we have a card, a test strip card. You're going to put your name on your test strip card. And what you're going to do is the first line lines up with the left line on the card, or the right line, depending on the side that you go. Okay? It's going to work that way for either side. So what you're going to do is you'll have a piece of test strip paper, and like I said, we'll look at that when we get into the darkroom. You'll have that test strip paper. You're going to move this to the first line here, and you're going to expose your photo for about 3 seconds, your test strip. Then you're going to move it to the next one, and you're going to expose your test strip for another 3 seconds. And then you're going to move it one more time, and you're going to expose your test strip for 3 more seconds. Then you're going to move it one more time and expose your test strip for 3 seconds. Then one more time, expose it for 3 seconds, that test strip. And then the last time, you're going to take the card totally off and expose that last inch segment there for 3 seconds. And what's going to happen is we're going to effectively have an exposure of 3 seconds, 6 seconds, 9 seconds, 12 seconds, 15 seconds, and 18 seconds. And that's going to help us to determine how long we need to expose our photograph for. See you in the darkroom.